Hello friends, welcome to my channel Nidhi Bhasin mathematics classes. Today in this video, I will be covering topics find square root using long division method, finding square root by continuous subtraction. So let's get started. Now I am taking the procedure of long division method. For this method, I will be doing these steps which I will be taking one by one. Obtain the number whose square root is to be computed. We will take the number whose square root we are going to find. Place bars on every pair of digits starting with unit digit. From the unit digit, we will start making its periods by placing a bar on a pair of digits. That means unit digit will make a pair with tens digit and so on. If one of the digit is left which cannot be paired with anyone, there also we will put a bar on that single digit. Place bars on every pair of digits starting with unit digit. Also place a bar on one digit not forming a pair on the extreme left. Each pair and the remaining one digit on extreme left is called a period. When we are making bars on the digits from the unit place towards the other hundreds or thousands place, by making bars on them, we are making them in periods, and we will bring them down in that period only. Think of the largest number whose square is less than or equal to the first period. I will think of the largest number possible which can be subtracted from the number which is a square. Take this number as the divisor in question because I am taking it as a square. So square will be like 2 into 2, 3 into 3. So 1 will become divisor, 1 will become quotient. Put the quotient above the period and write the product of the divisor and the quotient just below the first period. Quotient I will write above and I will write whatever square I am getting below the dividend or below the first period. Subtract the product of divisor and quotient from the first period. I will subtract the first square, whatever remainder will come, with that I will bring down the second period and that will become the new dividend. Subtract the product of divisor and quotient from the first period and bring down the next period to the right of the remainder. I will be writing towards the right of it and this becomes the dividend. Now again I will have the quotient, a new quotient and new divisor. For the quotient, double the quotient as it appears and enter it with a blank on the right side for the next divisor possible. Whatever I have got as a quotient, I will double it. If I have 7 as my first period and I am taking a square as 4 which was made by 2 into 2. So 2 is a quotient, 2 is a divisor. So I will be taking one of the quotient and I will double it. That will become 4. On the extreme, I will put a digit and I will look for the next number possible which can be less than the new dividend. I will think of a digit in such a way that the product of new divisor and this new digit is less than new dividend. So let's take this further with the example and there you will understand it more clearly. Now I am taking examples of long division method. As I explained to you, the number which is to be square rooted, we will obtain that number. We will make periods from the unit digit towards the extreme left. Now when I had taken pair of digits, this was my first pair, this was my second pair and this was left alone but it has been put a bar. So these are called periods. Now for the first period I have a number 5. I will look for the largest number which is a square number and less than 5. So we have that number as 4. So how we will get 4? 2 2s are 4. Because I am looking for the scare. So 2, 1 will become quotient. 1 will become quotient. 1 remain as divisor. So I will get 1 and this is my remainder. I will bring down next period with it towards its right hand side. Now I will double my previous quotient and 2 is the quotient. I will double it. I will get 4. Then I told you put a blank towards the right and look for the digit which is possible. By multiplying it with here, we get the number less than 147. Now, since this is 147 and we know that it either will come with 3 because with 4 it will go above this. So 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So this is the largest number possible. So I will take 3 here, 3 here, and I will write 129 below this. When I will write 129, I will be getting 1, 8 and this period will come now 1856 as my new dividend. Now what I will do, what will be my next step? I will double this, my new dividend, new patient. So this will be, I will be taking double of it here. So I am writing 46 and then I am putting a digit. Now I will look for the digit which when multiplied with the same number should be less than this number. So let me try 4 first. What I am getting? 4 4s are 16, 4 6s are 24, 5, 2. 4 4s are 16, 17, 18. Now why did I look for 4? Because I know whatever number will come here, that when we will multiply this, whatever number we will be getting, it should be less than this. If I am getting 5 here, 5 4s are 20, which is greater than this. So that's why I had gone to 4 first. And here also if I will try 4 with 4 4s are 16, which will go above 14. So that's why we will get to know the number which is going to come here. So 1856 and I am getting 0 as a remainder. So what will be my square root? 54756 square root is 234. It is very easy. Nothing is difficult here. Just follow the steps. Keep on doubling this and you will get the answer. Now let me try with the next question. I have this number which is 6-digit number. I have made periods in pairs. First period, second period, third period. You will put a bar on them by taking pair of digits. Now 39 is my first period. I will look for the perfect square which is exactly less than, largest perfect square which is less than this number. So can you tell me? 5 5s are 25. It is very less. 6 6 are 36. It is the largest number which is a square number possible below 39. So let me try this. 6 6 are 36. So I will be getting 3 as a remainder and 0 6 will be my new period which will come down. Now I will take double of it, 12, and I will look for the number with which I should multiply this. Now 1, if it is having 3 here, that means I can only try 2 or 3 here maximum. Let me first try with 2. It is coming 244, and if I am taking 3 it is going above this. You can see that. So that's why you can get the estimation with which number it will go. So if this will become, my new number will be 244. You will subtract this. This will become 2. This will become 10. And this is 62. And again I will take one period down here. This will become 6225. Now what will be my new divisor? It will be the double of my new quotient. I will be taking 124 and this will become blank. Now you can see that here we have 5. So to get 5, I need to try this with 5 first. 124, 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20, 5 2s are 10, 11, 12. I am getting my answer exactly when I am taking 5 here. So this is my giving me 0. So this is my answer. So what is the answer of square root of 390625? This is the answer of this is 625. So that's why this is the long division method with which you can find the square root of a number. I hope it is clear. I will be taking further more questions in one of my videos regarding square root of prime factorization, long division. But I am taking one more method after this, that is the continuous subtraction. Now I am taking square root through repeated subtraction. This is my third method of finding square root. In one of the videos I have taught you how to find square root through prime factorization. I will give the link in the I button and in the description box. For more such videos, you people can follow my channel, subscribe my channel, and those who have subscribed my channel, thank you very much for following me, for encouraging my videos and encouraging me. So let's get started with this. Obtain the given perfect square number. I'm naming it for timing as A. I'm taking any number for which I have to find the square root, and for the timing I have taken that number as A. Subtract from it successively. First time I will subtract 1. Second time after subtraction whatever answer I am getting, then I will subtract 3. After the subtraction of the in the second step, whatever answer I am getting, I will subtract 5 from it. Then after subtracting 5 whatever I am getting, I will subtract 7 from it. Then after subtracting 7 whatever I am getting, I will subtract 9 from it, and this way it will go on till you get 0. How many times you will do the subtraction? Till you are getting 0. Suppose I have got 0 in the fourth step. So the number of times I have done the subtraction is 4. So 4 is my answer. Count the number of times the subtraction is performed to arrive at 0. Let it be n. Let it be n. Suppose, I am supposing for some time, because I have supposed that for the square root I am taking a number A, and the number of times it has been subtraction has been performed, let it be n. So the square root answer will be the number of times subtraction has been done. I am taking one example to explain to you. I am finding the square root of 36 by repeated subtraction. We have 36. What is the first number which is to be subtracted? 1. I will first subtract 1 from it. I am getting 35. Now this number I will subtract. This number I will use to subtract 3 from it. I am using 35 and I am subtracting 3 from it, because I have to do 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and this way the second number should be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and the first number will be what I am getting as my previous answer. So 35 minus 3 will give me 32. So this will be my first number for the next subtraction. And what is the next second number? 5. I'm getting 27. This will be my first new number. And what will be my second number? Since I have taken 1, 3, 5, I will take 7. I will take 7. This will give me 20. After taking this number as a first number, I will be taking 9. I am getting 11. 11 will be my new first number. And what will be my second number? 11. I have got 0. After how many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have got 0 after 6 times of subtraction. So the number of times I have performed subtraction is 6. So the square root of 36 is 6. It is very easy. It can be used for 2-digit number, but for 3-digit or 4-digit, you need to use either long division method or prime factorization. That is up to you, and it depends upon the question which has been asked. I hope I got able to clear your doubts till here. And for more questions on square root, I will be making one more video. You can see that video. Thank you for your support. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, Nidhi Bhasin Mathematics Classes. Thanks for encouraging me, those who have subscribed my channel. Keep sharing, keep learning. Thank you.